What would happen if you replace all your drinks with water? Are you a sugar addict? When you're thirsty, does water just not cut it for you? As much as we all like to talk about the dangers of excess sugar in our diets, sometimes it's a harsh reality that we have to face when it comes to bettering our lives and our health. Have you ever wondered how your body would change if you completely cut out all of the sugary drinks you indulge in on a daily basis and replaced them with water? If you want to learn about all the amazing changes that can happen to your body once you eliminate soda, read on and let us know what you think. Water is 100%, completely, absolutely, calorie-free. If that doesn't mean anything to you, here's a quick rundown. There are 3,500 calories in 1 pound. This means if you cut out 500 calories from your regular diet every day, over the course of 1 week you would lose 1 pound. Now, factor that in with the soda you drink. Say you drink about 500 calories worth of pop every day. If you eliminate just soda from your diet, you have the potential to lose 1 pound a week as long as the rest of your diet is in check. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.